Hi, in the last session, we understood the source data. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to load data in Google Sheets. This is the link I have created actually. Okay, docs.google.com/spreadsheets. So Google data reads data from this. Okay. So since we are using a spreadsheets, we have to upload first. We have to load this spreadsheet into the Google spreadsheets. Then we will use that in Google Data Studio for various purposes. So there is, you can see there are some of the existing spreadsheets are already there. Okay. We are not going to use this since it is a new one. We have to create a blank. Let us create a blank and to wait for a few seconds to load up. Okay, so this is untitled spreadsheets. We have to give it a name. We have to give it a name, and this is getting loaded. It is taking time. Just let us wait for a few seconds since it is taking time. It is getting loaded. So let us give it a name. We will give it a name Euromart store. Okay, this is the name that we will give. Euromart store we can give. So then what we need to do, now we have to load this data set that we have understood in the last sessions. We have understood in the last sessions. So let us go to file. So there is one file that is called import. Then one option is there, import. So after giving these options, what we are going to get? So this is the box that we are going to get. So what we will do? We have drive or we will upload. Drive, we can take this from drive, we can take this from shared with me, recent, we will upload this. Once upload options will come. We can drag the file here or upload options is here. So we will take the source. Where is the source data? We have the source data here. Okay, we have the source data here. We will see. This is Euromart store data. We will take it. So let us wait till the data get uploaded. Okay, so we have some options. We can say create a new sheets. See, create a new sheet. Suppose we want to create a new spreadsheet, so we can go for this option. Insert a new sheets. If we want to insert a new sheet, we can go for this, and we can also replace this spreadsheets. Since it is a that blank sheets, we can go for replace. Then import data. Okay, import data. So all data. Let us wait for a few seconds. So this is the data set that we are going to use. So this is the order ID first, as we have seen in the last session. Order ID, unique order ID and order data. This is order date, then customer name, country, then state, then city, then region, then segment, then shipping mode, category and subcategory, product name. Everything is here. Feedback. I think we have not missed out the data. So the process is that we have to understand first the data sets. Okay, then we have to upload this into the spreadsheets, Google spreadsheets, and from Google Sheets we have to connect this spreadsheet to the Google Data Studio. That's for the lessons. We'll in the next sessions that we are going to connect this spreadsheet to the Google Data Studio. Thank you.